Yes, boys and girls, we are back in the garage, back with the 698. The 950 is having some maintenance done, so that's all stripped to bits. But anyway, back to the 698 and what we fixing today. Yes, I have engine management light from when I ran out of fuel last, so let's see if we can try and reset that. Let's go. So the Euro 5 plug on the bike is that one. You just clip that off. There it is, exposed. And let's see what I've got to plug into it. So I have this lone let cable, which is a Euro 5 to OBD, so that will go on the bike. And then I have this Bluetooth iCar Pro. I use this on all my vehicles, bikes, so this will plug into that, and then it'll be Bluetooth to the phone. I have this old school eBay reader, which obviously already has that, and I'll give that a go, see if that can read. And I have my BHP device, which already has a Euro 5 plug on it, so I'll see if that can read it. Let's give it a go. I've got my cable plugged in already. I'm now going to plug this dongle in to that. So you need to turn the bike on. I then go to this app that I've got. I just hit this connection button and it should start talking to this, flashing lights. And there you go, we are connected. Here are some basic readings, so down here, and one confirmed fault, and it says cylinder 1 misfire, which makes sense because I ran out of fuel. So that's the check on this one done. So let's go to the other devices. Right, next we'll try this eBay job that I've had for a very long time. Just going to plug it in, just see if I can get the same code on it. So I've plugged it in. Oh, red warning, codes found. Read codes, stored codes, and it's got the same, yes, cylinder misfire. So at least this one works, and I guess if it's got a read, it's got a reset. So let's try the last one. So the BH1 has its own lead, so plug straight in, but let's just see if we can remember what to do on this. DTC, check. There you go, P0314, P0300. So at least this one also gets the same codes. I'm going to go back to the eBay one because this is most readily available and everyone can get it. Right, let's just read the codes again. Stored codes, erase codes, erase stored codes, DTCs, yep. And look, the light has gone. Bosh. Erase done. Pressing the key, continue. Read codes while we're waiting. Stored codes. No code stored. Bosh. Job's a good one. There we go, guys. That's how you can reset it. I normally have this as my go-to setup because I'll have this either under the seat or in my tank bag or somewhere. This because it connects to Bluetooth when you're out and about. If something ever happens, plug your phone in, reset it, and off you go. So hopefully, guys, you know what you can do. You can get this cable online. You can get all the other shit from Amazon and stuff. Do your own research, but it's fairly easy to do. So hope you enjoy this video, and like, subscribe, comment, do all the usual bollocks, please. Thank you very much. All right, catch you later.